We are now proudly announcing that our serverless product is currently in beta stage, and you can now apply for qualification and receive a free trial voucher through Novita AI Discord channel. This video is going to present you a step-by-step tutorial of serverless product. After you obtain the beta qualification, you ought to package the runtime environment into a Docker image and upload it to the public or private image repository. Go to the serverless console, create an endpoint. Here we use the public image as an example. After confirming that the configuration is correct, click Deploy. Then you can find the serverless endpoint created in the serverless console. When the status of endpoint changes to serving and at least one worker is in the running state, then you can copy the URL for accessing the model service and use the curl command to access the service like this. You can manage the endpoint, drop down and modify it at any time. You can refer to serverless development document for more. Check all these on Novita AI.